Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today I got a 7,000 milliamp hour battery pack worthy of a review. This 7,000 milliamp hour battery pack is for the Galaxy Note 9. Now, you can find this on Amazon.com. I paid like $31 for this. This is definitely awesome. I think every smartphone should have this accessory in its lineup. Now, this actually works like a case. I bought one for the Galaxy Note 8. It was a quick charge. This is also a quick charge as well. Now, this one here was a beast. It carried me all the way through. It's still carrying me through with the Note 8 that I got to return. But we are going to be giving this away. So if you're looking for something like this, listen, make sure you're a subscriber. And there's a possibility that you can win this. This is nice. Now, with that being said, this has a matted back. Feels really nice and smooth. It's going to pick up some fingerprints, no problem. As long as it does the job that it's supposed to do, it is cool. Now we're going to turn it over. This is very soft compared to the one for the Galaxy Note 8, which is not as soft, but it did not damage my phone, so I'm quite sure this one isn't either. But I like that they put this extra protection on here from scratching. Not bad at all. And the difference between this one and the one for the Galaxy Note 8, the Galaxy Note 8 has the protection all the way around. So this is doubled as a case as well as a battery pack. This one here, it doesn't have it. We are going to take a look just to see exactly how it looks. This is the port that you're going to slide your phone onto. At the bottom, you got your USB Type-C to charge your device. And this actually feels lightweight. So it's not going to add a lot of bulk, but trust me, it's going to add some because it is a battery pack. And all you want to get back to is 100%. Now, many of you all don't charge your phone up sometime that night, and you go out that day and then you're running on low cell and then you're trying to figure out how you're going to make the next phone call. This is going to help carry you through. This is worthy to have, I'm telling you, in your lineup. So let's go ahead, let's put this on. And just in case you wanted to ask, yes, you can charge up the device and the phone at the same time. You don't have to do them separately, which is cool. It's like a bypass, not bad at all. Now, this is where it's going to look. All right, you got your ports that's out. Of course, that's going to be charging the device. You don't have no protection there. You don't have no protection here, but I'm not worried about that myself. You don't have no protection on this side, but it shows off the color of the phone, which I like, and it looks good. Now, I know you all like that Goku. I know you want it. Let me know if you do, and I'll let you know exactly where I got it from and what's the name of this actual live wallpaper that's off the charts. This is Goku. From what I understand, this is the evil Goku. But this is a nice case to have, people. I don't know. Hit me in the comment section down below and let me know. But this is how you power it on. You tap it, it comes on, you heard it, and if you look up at the top, you can see that it's charging. Not a bad deal. If you want to turn it off, just hold it and it turns off. Okay, now 7,000 milliamp hour battery. This should carry you through the day with no problem. This is from zero, so it's a quick charge. And what I like about this phone case also is the fact that they got a 24-month guarantee, satisfaction guarantee, that if something happens to this, you can send it back. They'll take care of you with no problem, and you get 30-day refund on this. So if you don't like it, it's not working, it's not to your liking, within 30 days you can send this back. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.